Programming your 2003-2009 Toyota 4Runner key fob, a DIY guide. Lost your key fob or need an extra for your 2003-2009 Toyota 4Runner? You can program it yourself. This involves synchronizing the remote with your vehicle's body control module, BCM, and immobilizer. For these models, DIY programming is generally stable with a 70 to 80% success rate for those comfortable with tech. You'll typically need a compatible key fob, make sure it matches the 3 and 14 MHz frequency for your model year, and a working master key. While dealerships charge $50 to $150, doing it yourself can save you money. The standard programming involves a sequence of steps. Insert your master key into the ignition. Cycle the ignition to the on position without starting the engine multiple times within 15 seconds. Then press the buttons on your new fob to register it. Confirmation usually involves the door lock cycling or lights flashing. If you encounter issues, double-check your fob's battery and ensure it's compatible with your 4Runner's model year. Check fob battery. Ensure compatibility with 2003 to 2009 model. Use O2 app for newer tools. Manual method for 2003-2006 models. Be patient. Rushing causes failure. Newer tools like smartphone apps with OBD2 scanners are making the process easier. Remember, rushing the process is a common cause of failure, so be patient. If you're unsure, consult a professional as errors can trigger the anti-theft system.